Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer science class. In Python, sequence data type, we already completed list, tuple, and set. In the same sequence data type, the final topic is dictionaries. What is dictionary? In Python, a dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. So sequence data type list tuples also same. Another sequence data type is set and mixed collection of elements. Dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. Unlike other collection of types such as list tuple, the dictionary type stores key along with its element. The key is in Python dictionary is separated by colon, which the commas work as separator for elements. The key value pairs are enclosed with curly braces. So இங்க என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா டிக்ஷனரி அப்படிங்கிறது மிக்ஸ்டு கலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே அதே தான் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் தான் செப்பரேட்டட் பை கமா தான். பட் ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டும் கீயோட இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. எப்படி கீயோட இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அந்த செட்டு கொடுக்குற மாதிரியே தான் அந்த ஓப்பன் க்ளோஸ் கார்லி பிரேஸ் தான் அதுக்கான சின்டாக்ஸ். டிக்ஷனரி நேம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஓப்பன் க்ளோஸ் கார்லி பிரேஸ். ஸோ ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி வேல்யூங்கிறது தான் எலமெண்ட் அலாங் வித் கீ. ஸோ preceded by key and colon, then element value. So element 1, totally this is element 1, key 2, then value 2, colon value 2 is element 2, etc., key n, value n. So like it looks like a dictionary. The word, we sometimes searching some meaning for some word. So word meaning is there. Likewise, each value has its unique key. So far this kind of data type is called dictionary. So dictionary also collection of data type, but mixed collection of data type, each element is preceded by key colon value. The key and element value is separated by colon and list of elements are separated by comma. Key in the dictionary must be unique case sensitive and can be of any valid Python type. Key letters, small letters, capital letters, அதை கேர்ஃபுல்லாக யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஒரு டைம் கீ வேல்யூஸ் இங்கே கேப் லெட்டர் டிஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டுனா அங்கே கேப் லெட்டர் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அதை ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணல. சரி, எப்படி டிக்ஷனரிஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம்? ஸோ இது காமன் சின்டெக்ஸ். தென் இது டு கிரியேட் அ எம்டி டிக்ஷனரி. டிக்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஓப்பன் க்ளோஸ் கர்லி பிரேஸ். எம்டி டிக்ஷனரி. Dictionary with key எப்படி declare பண்ணலாம்? Dictionary student is a name of the dictionary, then roll number colon 1 2 3 4, name colon Murali, class colon 12, marks colon 45. Here roll number, name, class and marks are key. 1 2 3 4, Murali, 12, 45 are values. How many elements this dictionary object consists of means 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements. So dictionary comprehension also possible. In Python, comprehension is another way of creating dictionary. We already seen list comprehension, set tuples comprehension, then now in dictionary comprehension. Dict is equal to expression for variable in sequence. If condition. Another one is if condition. The same thing up to this we already seen in list comprehension. One more thing, optional part is if condition. Condition also we can give. If the condition is optional and if is specified, only those values in sequence are evaluated using the expression which satisfy the condition. ஸோ கண்டிஷன் ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகிற வேல்யூஸ் மட்டும்தான் இந்த இதில் எடுக்கும். அந்த சீக்வன்ஸ்லேயே எல்லா வேல்யூஸும் எடுத்துக்கும். நார்மலாக கண்டிஷன் கொடுக்காமமா கண்டிஷன் ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணியிருந்தோம்னா அந்த கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணுற வேல்யூஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கும், மற்ற வேல்யூஸ் ஸ்கிப் ஆயிரும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே கொடுக்குறாங்க, டிக்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எக்ஸ் கோலன் 2 star x. 2 star x for x in range of 1 to 10 அதாவது 1 டோட்டலாக 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 அவ்வளோதான் ஏன்னா 10 10 minus 1 வரைக்கும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் வேல்யூஸ் 1 to 9 அப்படின்னா 2x அப்படின்னா 1 கோலன் இங்கே என்ன கிடைக்கும் 2 கிடைக்கும் 2 கோலன் தென் அந்த அடுத்த வேல்யூ 2 அப்போ 2 into 2 then 3 into 2 then 4 into 2 5 into 2 6 into 2 7 into 2 8 into 2 9 into 2. ஸோ இங்கே ஒவ்வொரு ஐட்ரேஷன் அப்போ 1 2 3 4 அப்போ 1 கோலன் 2ங்கிறது ஃபஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட் 2 கோலன் 4 3 கோலன் 6 எங்கே பார்த்த மாதிரியே தான் ஏற்கனவே நாம் லிஸ்ட்டில் பார்த்த அதே காம்ப்ரிஹென்ஷன் தான் இங்கேயும். ஸோ டிக்ட் இப்படியெல்லாம் க்ரியேட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ டிக்ட் க்ரியேட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணுறது ஆட் பண்ணுறது மாடிஃபை பண்ணுறது டெலிட் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே ஒரே டாப்பிக்கில் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ இங்கே கண்டிஷன் இல்லாமல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கண்டிஷன் நம்ம வேணால் செட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம இந்த கோடை நம்ம அப்படியே எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். பைத்தான் ப்ரோக்ராமில் dict is equal to file so then output print dict that is not given in your textbook. You have to add the statement dict. What is the output you can see? If you maximize this, it will be printed in a single line. Okay. Again I restore it. So that's all. If conditional is optional. If x is greater than x is less than 6 what will be the output here? Actually the sequence is 1 to 9. Less than 6 means up to 5 only. Less than 6 means up to 5 only. So this will be processed up to for the specified condition only. This is already given in your syntax. If condition. Conditional is optional or otherwise you can add it. Okay. Directly we can create dictionary. Here dictionary is created by using comprehension. Here directly dictionary is created. This also valid one. Dict student. Print dict student. Quotation, any problem in the quotation? Okay, in this actually in textbook the quotation is missing. For string, all string must be enclosed within single or double or triple quotes. It may be key or value, element value, element key or element value. String only must be enclosed within single or double or triple quotes. This also you had to include in your textbook. Okay, in textbook beginning for this example also. Okay, you have to include. Then only you can see the output result. Okay, if you run this program now, run model, it will be printed like this. Okay. So these are the things, important things. Then accessing, adding, modifying and deleting elements from a dictionary. How to do? Accessing all elements from a dictionary is very similar as list tuples. Simple print function is used to all the elements. If you want to access particular element, square brackets can be used along with the key. Index position. Instead of the index position, we have to use the key. For example, if this is a dictionary means print my dict, entire dictionary will be printed. Register number only if you want. Dictionary name of key. No index value. So here, if you want to print the same in this roll number, print dict student of. Dict student of, what is the key? You have to give name to display particular element. Here name I give small letter, it will show an error because a key name first letter is a capital letter. Save this, run this. So it will show an error. Key error. So key name must be case sensitive. Save this, then run this. Now morally. So instead of dictionary name, index position, we have to use key value. We have to use key value. So here my dict of register number means this only printed. My dict of name means this printed. School means this will be printed. This. So output will be as follows. Okay. Note that the first print statement prints all the values of the other statements printing only one specified value which is given in square brackets. The given value is the key. In the extended dictionary, you can add more values by simply assigning the values along with the key. The following syntax is used to understand adding more elements in a dictionary. How to add more element? Once dictionary is defined, we can add dictionary name within bracket like key is equal to the new value, elements new value. We can add new list. Suppose if you want to add school name means, if you want to add school name means, print the dictionary. Then if you want to add dict student of new key. New key is CHOOL, school is equal to value. Value also a string. Name of the school. My school. After that, if you print the same, what will happen? Same dictionary. Run the program. Execute it. So for the first time, it will print the defined dictionary. Then after that, we add one more key and value. It will be added. So dictionary name dot key is equal to value or element, one value will be. Modification of value in dictionary is very similar to adding elements. When you assign a value to a key, it will simply override the old value. Suppose how it is done. Actually, we remove the comprehension. Okay. Now, if you want to change roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 8 means how to change it. We can change it. How to do? Dict student of roll number. Roll number is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Again print the same. Save this, run this. First time only with the defined dictionary, key and values, all elements. After adding one element, after changing roll number value. it will be printed. Okay. Then modification of the value is also simply overwrite the existing value, key value. If you give new key means it will add it at the end. If you give old key name, existing key and value means the old value will be replaced by the new given value. That's all. In Python dictionary, del keyword is used to delete the particular element. The clear function is used to delete the entire all elements in the dictionary. To remove the dictionary, you can use del keyword with dictionary name. Del statement is used to del the list, tuple, dictionary, set, everything. Del statement. Del, then keyword is used to delete a particular element. For example, in this, I am using three things. Del keyword is used to delete particular element. Del of dictionary of roll number. Instead of roll number, here we use CLA double S. C must be capital. Okay. Then after that print the same. What will happen? At the same time, del the entire dictionary. Dict2. Clear function. Dot CLEAR. Clear. Then the same del. Again print to the same dictionary. So here dictionary is defined in the first line, second line the dictionary printed, third statement one key added, key and value, one element is added in the dictionary, then again dictionary is printed, then roll number value is modified, then entire dictionary will be printed, then del particular element, only one element, class element only removed. After that print the dictionary, then clear the entire dictionary, then print the same dictionary, then del the entire dictionary, not a single element, entire dictionary, then print. This will show an error mistake. This will show an error mistake. So first save this file, save, then execute this, run model. What will happen? You can see the error mistake. First entire defined one, second one school is added, third one roll number is altered, fourth one class is missing because we deleted one element. Then clear the list. Dictionary name dot clear. That's all. After clearing this, we delete the entire dictionary in this code. So after this line, if you print this, it will show an error mistake. If you remove this statement, means it will not show error mistake because object is not defined, will not be displayed. Okay. So now you clear dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary has meanings. Likewise, the list of elements has, each and every element has an unique key. Okay, by using the key, we can delete, insert or access the particular element, or clear entire dictionary, or delete entire dictionary by using del statement. Okay. So these are the things, very important things asked in 1, 2 and 3 mark questions. 1, 2 and 3 mark questions. Or explain dictionary 5 mark question. That's also can be asked. So how to do? To delete a particular element, del dictionary name particular element, dictionary name dot clear to clear, del dictionary name entire dictionary will be deleted. These are the things explained in your example program. So difference between list and dictionary. List is an ordered set of elements, but dictionary is a data structure. Dictionary is used for matching one element with another. Matching one element with another. The index values can be used to access a particular element. But in dictionary, key represents index. Remember that key must be maybe a number or string. So it may be, key may be number or string. It may be anything. Lists are used to look up a value, whereas a dictionary is used to take one value, look up another value. So list ஒரு வேல்யூ இருக்கான்னு தேடி பார்க்கறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். டிக்ஷனரியில் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஒரு வேல்யூ வச்சு தான் இன்னொரு வேல்யூ இருக்கானே செக் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த டிஃபரன்சஸ் பிட்வீன் லிஸ்ட் அண்ட் டிக்ஷனரி. வெரி 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 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 3 mark question. You have to write this. So points to remember. You have to go through the entire points to remember, then complete all the question and answers. So in this unit, one chapter is completed. Next one is class and object. In this class and object, the Python will be over. Next, we have to use the Python programming code in another concepts. Okay, in unit 3, second lesson. In unit 3, second chapter. After this chapter, Python will be completed. 90% of the Python programming will be completed. Then how Python access another files, we have to go through in subsequent classes. So before that, you must be thorough all these lessons. So unit 2 and 3 is enough to just getting the minimum marks, to achieve the minimum marks. Around out of 70, around 30 to 35 marks we can achieve it. Unit 2 and 3, if you completed means, thoroughly completed means, it is enough for us. After that, the lessons are very very difficult one, because all these things you have to remember, some more concepts, some new features we have to learn. So complete these lessons. For the upcoming test, entire unit 2 and unit 3 first lesson only will be available for your examinations, upcoming examinations. So you must be clear everything. I will give some 1 mark questions, 1 mark assignments to you. Okay, complete book back questions also, go through it. If you have any doubt, ask in comment or separately in WhatsApp. Okay students, so we completed sequence data types, list, tuples, sets and dictionary. Next we are going class and objects. Before that, you have to thorough the entire unit 2nd and first chapter of the unit 3rd. Okay, that is the last one we just now we completed. Okay, thank you students, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye, take care, have a nice day.